First of all, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
You bagged several awards.
Thank you.
For Beanie and all the Star Music. What can you say about this award?
Sobra lang akong grateful and always nakaka-proud lang na ang dami sa mga artists that I've worked with ay naka-receive ng awards tonight. And syempre, speaking for the entire industry as a whole, buhay na buhay talaga yung OPM. And ayun, tuloy lang tayo sa pagiging creative when it comes to music, and marami pang maaabot ng musikang Pilipino.
Yeah, seeing you, grabe, ang dami yung mga projects this year and next year, no? Speaking of Mr. Jin Velasquez for Genified,
yes.
Vinyl.
Jonathan, sa dami ng trophies mo. Saan mo nilalagay?
May cabinet ako. So siksika na lang sila doon. Pero abangan ninyo yung musical play ko, ha? Next year yun.
I was about to ask you that.
It's a new musical featuring the music of yours truly sa Resorts World siya. Next year sa April. So abangan nyo yan.
Wow!
Kung may magka-casting pa lang.
Nagpa-final cast na lang, pero maririnig nyo may mga songs dyan na ginawa ko for Eric, for Angeline, for Beanie, na included din sa musical play. So abangan nyo.
Around how many songs are we talking?
Baka nagtatahi kami ng mga more or less 40 songs. Kasi yung iba full song, iba medley, depende sa pagkakatahi ng story. Okay.
So Jonathan, one more question. You work with SB19, di ba? Yung
Kabataan Pinoy.
What can you say about working with them?
Sobrang, iba rin kasi talaga yung dedication sa craft ng SB19. Every time nakakatrabaho ko sa kanila. Kung sila, kitang-kita ko yung passion nila, binubuwas sila talaga lahat. And malayo pa mararating nila. Marami pa sila mako-contribute sa industry. And individually, sobrang talented nila. Pag pinagsama-sama mo, grabe. Iba, powerhouse talaga.
Jonathan, posible ba yung SB19 collab with Beanie? Kasi lagi na sila nagsasama.
Nangyari na yan sa Kabataan Pinoy, di ba? Nung ginawa namin nung anniversary ko yun, ginawa namin yung Kabataan Pinoy, yung Beanie and SB19. So hindi malabong maulit at magkaroon pa yan ng maraming collaborations in the future.
Message yun na lang po sa kanila, 6th anniversary nila.
Congratulations SB19 and more power to you. Alam ko, marami pa kayong makakontribute sa industry.
Speaking of, I'm sorry, okay ka na po ba? Because I saw your post.
Nagpapagaling. Okay na naman yung mga pinapagaling na lang yung sugat.
Yes, because we need you in this industry. Grabe din talaga yung mga pinoproduce mong songs, tumatatak talaga. What can you say about PMPC?
Congratulations sa PMPC. It's their 16th Star Awards for Music, and tuloy-tuloy lang yung ginagawa nila talagang pagsuporta sa industriya, and saludo ako sa inyo.
This is the brightest trophy ever sa Viento.
Thank you once Entertainment, Sony Music Philippines, and everyone who has helped us in this song.
The OPM industry is very much alive and kicking. Huwag tayong susuko at huwag tayong titigil sa palikha ng magaganda OPM songs.
We have to continue working together to bring further OPM to the rest of the world. Dahil pinaghihirapan natin lahat ito.
Why OPM?
Congratulations to SB19. But wait. We are not yet going home because
malaking karamahan po makatanggap ng ganitong award kasi dati napapanood lang po namin yung mga hinahangaan namin na makatanggap ng award. Pero ngayon, isa na po kami sa mga awardees. Thank you to our management, to our families, and to our groups, at sa lahat po ng tao na sa likod ng camera. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po magiging posible ang lahat. Thank you po!
To present the award from the PMPC is Evelyn Dion.
Big thanks to PMPC and all the band supporting the year. Really appreciate this one.
And also a big shout out to our label, Sony Music Philippines, our management team, Bonzi Entertainment, and all those who supported us through our journey.
And of course, thank you to those who have streamed our songs, all the uploads, the likes, the views, the thumbs up, and all those who posted, sang our songs, and that's to get to most all of our social media platforms.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Jimmy Escana. On behalf of the winner, the presenter will be accepting the award.